We are recording.
So you put a double L on your HTML.
Yeah. Don't copy the same mistake. It's HTML. Like this. Clear. Or you need me to repeat what I said. Everything else that you do should be between the HTML, the opening HTML tag and the closing HTML tag. That's all I'm saying. Huh? So when you're doing HTMLs, if you given an example, they say, well, identify an error, and you've got an HTML, and at the end you don't have an HTML tag that is closing that website won't run clear because you have not closed the HTML tag. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Open, you close it. Then head is simply for things like title. So if I want the title now, this is what I do. Joanna, I'll write title here. Title of my page like this. Wrong spellings. Title. Then I close this tag. Then I can do this. I'll show you what I'll do just now. Of course, I'll write something in between. Title, you see, the nice thing, it can complete for you. Then you simply click like that. Then in between there, that's where you want the title of the page. So maybe I'll call it, I don't know, it doesn't matter, my first web page. But you can give it any name. I'm just calling it my first web page. There. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you run this like now, so Joanna, what we can do is, let's do that. We go to File, Save As, then you go and save it in a certain folder, or you can create a folder on your desktop. Huh? I think the rest had created a folder called ICT. Then you go into your folder where you want to save. Huh? Joanna, you go into a folder that you want to save without many things, so that you won't have to look for the altogether into a folder, and I've got my own folder. You can create your own folder. Clear? Then now you give it a name, whatever name you want. So whatever name you want, I'm going to call it test run 2. Dot, the point now, Joanna, is .html. Otherwise, it's not an HTML page. .html. Whatever name, .html. Yeah. Then we save. Once we do that, if we go to that folder, you see that it will be a web page. And if you open it, it will be blank, but it will write the title of your page on top. If it doesn't write your title, it means you've made a mistake. Clear? It will write the title, it will be a blank page, and it will write the title of your page on top. Are we there?
Yes, sir.
Did it work?
Yes.
As simple as that. Now, the next thing that we want is to, inside the head again, is to do script. So this is called cascading style sheets. Huh? They allow you to easily edit, for example, the font size, maybe the styles. Huh? It allows you to do different styles to different texts. Huh? So we call that cascading style sheets. It's to deal with layout. Huh? So presentation, sorry. So now, so we type style. You see, it actually completes for you. Huh? Style there. Then again, we close it. Then, of course, you can.
I think I've done something wrong. So
What's happening? It's not working.
HTML.
It's not opening.
Eh? No. It's just like nothing seems to be working. Like it's not giving me the like. I don't know what's going on. Let me screen share.
Is it not opening the web page?
No, sir, it's not doing that either.
So what mistake did you make? You check your text. Did you open your HTML? Is your other HTML tag
I'm checking.
still? Did you close?
Okay, yeah, it's working now, sir.
Clear now, Ephraim?
Yes, sir.
Then after the head here is the body. The body is where we do almost everything that we want to appear on the page. Yeah? So we've got a body here, like this. Then I close the body. Then I can look for where I have my HTML there, because I want to close that body. Since nothing else comes between the body and the closing of the HTML, then I close the body there, like that. Then I closed. So I've closed my body there. Clear?
Sir.
Now, the first thing is we want to create what is known as list. Yeah? There's an ordered list and then an ordered list. Yeah? Clear? An ordered list, you use the UL. So if you want to write it in your notes, UL is for the UL tag is for the unordered. The OL is for the ordered list. We'll see the differences now. So let's do ordered list. Let's do UL first. So we do a UL like this. You see, it completes for you there. Then you close it. Then I'm going to, so this is just an opening. UL like that, like this. Clear? Then inside here is I want to create a list of things. Maybe a list of things you need for school. So now to list we use for every item that we are listing, we use an LI. So LI like this. And then whatever I want to type in my list, let's say I need books for school. You can just type anything, see if it works. Then there I close the first, so it's the first item on the list, /LI, yeah, like this. Clear? Then we close it. Then we go to the next one. What else do you need for school besides the books?
Pens and pencils, I guess.
And pencils. Then we close that item in our list, LI. Then what else do we need? We need uniforms. Then we close the list. So this is an unordered list. We want to see the differences now. Maybe. What more do you need? For school, what else do you need? You need
Calculator.
Calculator. The scientific calculator. Like this. So if we created a nice list, this was just to test it. So now again, I don't need that again. Now let's try to save. So you don't have to save as suppose you have saved it. You don't save it once. You simply say save. Then if you haven't closed your page, you simply refresh your page. If you have closed it, you have to run that same page again. And let's see if you have a list there. So I'm going to my page. You can see it for now. It's okay, I'll come back. So can you go to your page where you whatever if you had closed it? Is your list working? Yeah, sure. No, it's not.
Haven't finished yet, sir.
Yeah, not yet finished.
Yes, sir.
Another one?
File. Save.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
desktop.
I did
Yes,
not.
sir.
Okay. You see a nice list and an ordered list. Anyway. Can you see you've got a list there? Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Just hold on, sir.
Joanna, working?
Yes, sir.
Mario or Mike working?
So the Notepad is not installing on my laptop, sir.
It's not possible. Which laptop is it? It's a very small file. That's not possible. What are you downloading? You download the executable on the website.
Oh yes, sir.
So what did you download? Because now if you download this, yes. Which website did you use? Which website did you use? Quickly, we help you. It doesn't even take time. Which website did you use?
So I used let's see, Notepad.
You should use the official website, the notepad.org.
Oh yes, sir.
Is that where you downloaded?
No, sir.
You can't download from any other funny files. Huh? Let me send you.
Yes,
Joanna,
sir.
Joanna, can you send him the link? Sir? I sent it. She was asking me.
Who am I sending to, sir?
Mike is asking about. You should have asked us before the lesson. Remember, Mike, I told you that we will be doing coding. So, because now if you just sit and you won't be, you see, like Karen is making mistakes and correcting them. That's how you learn now. Because practical lessons like this, everyone has to get involved.
Sir, could you scroll?
Which phone are you using?
Could you scroll up?
Are you using your mom's phone or where should I send? Mike? I sent your mom or your dad's phone. Is Mike there? Mike, are you there? Just hold on. Yes, what are you saying? She's saying I should scroll away.
I just need help with mine because it doesn't seem to be working again because I'm not doing it properly apparently. So is it right if I screen share so you can?
That's fine.
So I can show you.
Screen share. Mike, I need to help you there. Is Mike there? Mike, can you? Yes. Okay. Go up. I just need to check something. Head is fine. Title is closed. Style. You see your problem here? You opened style here. Where did you close style?
Oh, I did not close style.
Style is inside the header. So before you close head here, wherever any line, you're supposed to close style.
Oh.
Mike, is Mike still in the lesson? Is Mike there? Oof. Mike,
So, sir.
is not there.
Yes, sir.
Which phone are you using?
I downloaded it, sir.
Is it working now? Have you
It's
installed?
installing right now.
Yeah,
It's now installing.
Yes. So you use the official website. Huh?
I have messed up. Okay. New.
Is it working now? So Mike, or you said install.
Sir, could you share your screen again?
There, I've shared.
Okay, thank you. HTML, then hit. Sorry, sir, I'm slowing you down. It's just
No, it's
I
okay.
just made a couple.
It's okay. We learn through
Title.
those mistakes.
title.
Mike, have you installed?
It's almost done, sir.
Machine is
Use the
gone.
style.
So
Yes.
just to be sure, the only thing that's supposed to show up is the books, pencil, uniforms, and calculator, right? The list.
Unless you created many things, yes. Because we only created a list so far. We haven't done anything else.
Okay.
Yeah. We simply created it.
Body.
And it's that we
So
call
it's
that
now installed.
an ordered list, huh? Yes. Oh, I made a mistake here. It's an unordered. UL means unordered what? Unordered list. It's now installed, huh? So if you installed the file open, you open it, then you go to file new. Then you type what you have typed here.
Yes, sir.
Body.
Now I want to do the unordered. Yes, Sharon, did you manage?
Yes, sir, you can carry on. I'll catch up. I'm typing it fast because what's it called? I deleted the file to try and restart because it was not working.
Yeah, but you should not. Next time, don't delete it. You simply edit. You look for where the error is. Debugging part of coding. Now we yes.
You didn't deliver it. So list one.
This sorry, what I saying? It's LI. It's not L1.
Oh,
It's not a one. This is an I.
no, you.
LI list. It's first item in list, second item in our list. This is for UL, unordered list, unordered list. Now I want to see the difference. Now let's do a UO. So everyone, Joanna, we're now doing OL means ordered list. Then I close my ordered list. Then I have to now close the whole thing. So slash OL like this. Clear? Then we close that like this. Then inside here we do the same. We use the LI. So create a list of anything. As long as it's a list. Maybe of football teams if you want. So I can have what I can do is I can copy this whole thing here. Want these lines here. You can do that in coding so that you avoid typing many things. Then you go there. Then what you simply change is the actual what's there. So then you can put maybe Chelsea.
Okay, it works, sir. Yes. Finally.
Barca, Barca. Man United. Madrid. Just giving an example. So we are creating. You can create a list of anything. Doesn't matter. Even you can have many things. Doesn't matter as long as you are opening this list and closing it there. Can you see that, Mike?
Yes, sir.
Maybe let me bring these lines so that you see. I will delete certain lines that are still blank here, so that you see the end of this is because I had the body, then it's closed just before the HTML. Now, everyone, if you do this and you run your page, I want you to so that we see the difference between ordered list and O means ordered list. UL means unordered list. This is what they can ask you. Clear. And now to be able to identify errors, it means if I remove an LI like this, it won't work. Just like Karen had not closed one of the texts. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Was a sort of coding. So let's file save and run. So file save, then let's run. Can you see the difference? Ordered list has got 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that making sense?
2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Joanna, is it working yours?
Yes.
So the unordered lists just have bullet points, and then the ordered lists have numbers.
Yes. Did you see the difference now? The ordered list is actually numbered. An ordered list is not numbered. If you want to summarize it. What if now we want to move the list, one of the lists, so that it's central? What do you do? From last time, we want to move one of the
Format, sir.
yes, formatting of that we use what? That's why we use cascading. We go now to styles here. Styles. Then let's say I want to do that with the UL with the ordered list. I'll do UL like this. That's what he said. Then I do curly, but it's a function. Curly bracket like this. Inside, then I'm going to do whatever I want to do to the list. Whether it's to do with font, whether it's to clear it. Can you see that? UL, I open the curly bracket, I close it here. So it means I am going to do certain things to edit my presentation, the way my layout, my ordered list is presented. Is that making sense? So far, we haven't done anything. I just have shown you that first.
Yes, sir. So for the UL, where you put it below style, are you not supposed to put the arrows beside it, sir?
Which arrows? No, we don't put the text in the script. This is a scripting that we are doing. We don't put
okay.
altogether.
Yes, sir.
That clear? Or
Yes,
not
sir.
clear?
It's clear.
The boys are quiet. Right there.
So every time when we're scripting, we don't put tags.
Yes, when you're inside scripting, you don't put text. We don't put text. Clear. So now let's say we want to change. I want to show you some certain things. Let's say we want to change this list so that it's remember it's like those we want so that the type is like circles. So we do type here. Can you see that? Type TY. Type. Then I put a dot like this. Then I write circle. Like this. Save it and see what will happen. Can you save it? Have you saved it? Then what's the difference to an ordered list? Do circle. Was there any change? Or it's not visible?
There was no
Sorry, sir. My connection cut out.
There was no change.
Yes, there's a change.
Sorry, sir. What are we doing? I disconnected.
You can put.
So for me,
Yes.
everything is in blue. It's in black, sir.
It's okay. Can we put square? I just want to see why there's no. Maybe it's a circle. It's so small you can't see the change. Can you type square and let's see if it should be like squares.
UL type square.
Let's see. Oh, that is supposed to change. Seems not to be working. Okay, that's fine. Maybe an issue to do with the notepad. No, it's supposed to change those things to squares. Take a look. Let's resume. URL type.
Save. What is that? What is that supposed to change, sir?
Those the bullets, huh? Just square types. But somehow it's not changing the way we want it.
There's no change for me, sir.
There's no change for you.
Yes, sir.
Let's do this. I think we made a mistake here. Sorry about that. I'm just seeing that we made a mistake. So there, let's type list. List. You see, if you check list here and you go down, they should have list style there. Can you see this list style here? List style. List style. Oh, wait a moment. You're supposed to have list style type. Huh? List. So let's go to list style type there. Can you see this one? List slash style slash type. But when you type LI, then go down and look for list style type. Clear? Are you lost?
So could you repeat what you
Oh,
said?
I'll repeat again. Look at this. If you do this, if you open this and you close this like what you've done here, inside stuff, the moment you type LI like this, LIST, it will open this for you. Then you go down until you see list style type there. That's what I meant. Then you click instead of typing. Then
List
you do this.
style type.
Type, yes. Now let's try to do what we had done. We had said what? Circle
Square.
or square.
Oh, we had said square, sir.
Yeah. Let's see if it can work. There.
Yes, sir. Change the bullet points to squares, sir.
Happy, Joanna? Worked, huh? They changed to square.
Change.
Yes.
Change this to disk. To disk. And see the difference. There. To disk. But you have to save, huh?
It just changes them back to circles, sir.
Change back to circles. Correct. Are we there?
It changes back to the circle.
What's his name? Mike, what is he saying? Mike, you haven't closed your HTML, huh? Mike, your HTML
Yes, sir.
is not closed, huh? Remember this HTML here has to be closed at the end, like this here.
Yes, sir.
And did he?
Then this board here is closed just before this.
See, how do I get that line? That's by the side.
Which line?
Did you save the document yet? You have to save it
You
for it to
haven't
show up.
saved the document, so wait to show up.
Okay.
And when you
Yes.
save it, make sure you save it
HTML.
at the end as .html.
Yeah. Whatever name.
I should save it as what?
HTML.
You name it whatever document you want, then .html at the end of whatever you want to name it. Or
Okay,
else it
thanks.
won't work.
Clear. Then you save it in a folder. Maybe you create a folder or you save it. So that you don't have to where there are not many things. Clear
Yes, sir.
or not clear? Now we there, guys.
Yes, sir.
very quiet.
Yes, sir, we are, I think.
Mike, are you there? Have you done what we?
And this one.
If we saved you, I think.
Is it working now?
Yeah, it's working now.
It's working, huh? We can do list style position, huh? List style position.
Under the
Under the tag, yes. Remember, we're dealing with unordered, yeah? If you wanted to, we create another script for, and so there, because you want to do something else there, you put a semicolon there. Then you go to the next. Then you type lists. You want list style position. Yeah. Clear. Oh, sorry.
yes, sir.
List style position. Let's see what happening with mine. List style position.
And center.
So let's see if center works. Okay, so test it. Let's see if it will work.
See.
To move your thing to the center.
No.
It didn't work, huh?
Yeah. Let me try a different right side. Save.
Can you type outside? There's like different list has got different things, different from paragraphs. Can you try inside and see what happens? You say list side position inside.
It only puts it a little bit further away, so like from where its original position was.
And outside? Everyone should be trying that. Outside.
It returns it to the original position.
So outside, it moves your, you see, the list style position, it moves your list from those points, from that numbering. Okay, that's what I simply wanted to show. Okay. So inside. What about background? If you want to change the background of our list, we can do background there.
Background.
Background color. Maybe let's try. I think it's only background. If I'm correct, not background color, but just background. There.
Is it background color or
Just background.
background?
So maybe put a transparent color. But I talked about the coding, the primary colors, last time, where I said you can do, you can find the colors on the internet. So HTML.
Oh, the images.
Yes, HTML has got color codes. It's got you change the color in terms. It uses hexadecimals. So we say this: the primary colors blue, what? Red,
Red,
green, huh?
green.
That's what we said last time. Then I said there's a chart that you can check the different colors, huh? But there you can type any color you want, or you go online like this. Let me show you. Then you type HTML because you want a color that will be nice. So you say HTML. If you go on Google, you say HTML color codes. You go and just type HTML color codes. Everyone on Google HTML color codes. There's an HTMLcolorcode.com. The first, that's the one that
Yes,
HTML
but it
color codes. Open the website.
this only changes the color for the first unordered list. It doesn't change the color of the whole background.
What do you mean? Okay, it's fine. We'll sort it out. We'll sort it out. So now then you select what you want, huh? The colors, huh? The color code. I think maybe it was quick. You select from that, huh? You can change the color codes. If there's a nice
Then copy and paste.
something, then you copy and paste that. Then what you do, Joanna, there, I will simply show you. I'm trying to copy mine. I've got an FF.
Oh, yeah, that actually.
Mine is not copying my colors. Okay, anyway, I've copied.
We can use any color we want, sir.
Yes, any color you want. So look at this. Any nice color you want there. There. So now for color, I have to you always use a hash like this. So what you need to remember is for color, if you see a mistake where the hash is not written, it means it won't work. Control, if you like, also, control. Oh, you can't have double, so it was wrong. Like this, huh? Like I think that's what he had done there. Then Joanna, you've done
copy
that.
And paste it.
Just copy and paste. Then try to run and see what will happen to your color.
Yeah, it changed the color of the unordered lists, like
Okay,
that whole section.
That's fine. We'll change the background just now. Clear?
Yeah.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Yes.
Guys are quiet. Just need to stop my screen to go to my website and see what he's talking about. So it changes the background. Huh? Why are you saying it doesn't change the background?
For me, sir, it only changed the background of the first three of
Your
the books,
ordered.
pencils, and the calculator.
Yes. Look at this. Let's look at this. I know you're forgetting something here. Let's go back and see why that is happening. Let me share again. You
But
are
sir,
yes. The question.
changing only for the
Look at this. Look at Karen. Let's go back here. This style is for what? It's for the unordered list. Well, I said to you earlier, it's not for the ordered list. The ordered list, we haven't done any scripting. Huh? So that's why you have UL, you open it, you close. So it can, whatever you do inside here can only affect the what? The unordered list.
The unordered list.
Is that making sense now?
Yes,
Yes, someone else had a question there? So you can try different color combinations. And someone had a quick question.
So if I was to type out all of this, oh yes, Karen.
Yes.
Okay. So if I was to type out all this in the ordered list, it would do the same thing, but for the ordered list and like the names of the.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Because all you are doing here, okay, do this so that you see what you're talking about here. Just do this quickly, everyone.
Yes.
I want you to copy this whole line here so that we don't have to repeat up to this. This scripting here. What you simply want to change, you see what will change just now. Then we go to the end where we start here. Then we do a paste. Then I'm going to change this to OL so that affects the ordered list like this. Clear. Then maybe I'll do a different color here. Maybe just by putting, let's see what happens if I put B5. Oh, sorry, capital B. Anyway, but you can check the colors from the other, whatever, clear like this. So if I run it, I will have
Yes,
the output spread.
now change it for the other ones as well. Okay.
Are we together then?
Yes, sir.
So it's matching.
It's not difficult. Clear? Then we run this, we save that. Mike, is it working? You've been quiet.
So for me, it's not changing. So
I mean,
Did you paste it?
for Mike? Mike, are you winning?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now can we now do padding? Because I want you to see what padding will do for styles. So let's go there and do padding. So I'll put a semicolon because I want to go to the next. Padding, we have to do pixels. Padding. Oh, sorry, colon, semicolon. Then let's do 40 pixels.
Is that a semicolon or normal colon, sir?
Those two double does. That's all right. That's a semicolon or a colon. What's the difference? It's a colon, huh?
Oh, 60 pixels.
Okay, do any. I want so that we see what padding will do. Huh? Mike, you are winning. You're quiet.
Getting this, sir.
Oh, it just changes how big the space is for the shading, sir.
It changes. Your padding, what is it changing in general?
It's changing the color, the width of the color, sir.
Padding, you say it's maybe you want to see what will really happen. Maybe so we need to put margins. Let's try to put margins to our list, huh? So that we have a left margin, maybe, and a right margin. Huh? So let's go and do margins to the first list. So there, do a margin left. So if there's a margin there, margin left. So the margin, maybe I'll say 20. Let's see what happens. 20 pixels. Then I want to do margin right.
Mr. K,
Yes.
on your
Ooh.
background, semicolon, is it an F or an E, sir?
This
Hashtag.
one. Is that
Yes.
Mike or what? We said you go to the website. Can you go to the website? You simply copy and paste. Huh? Go to the website called HTML Evan and give him the. If you simply type HTML color codes on Google, you will find the first website will be htmlcolorcode.com. You go to that website and you look for a nice color, you paste the code. I see we simply took the code from there. You can have a different code. Clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
That's what we are doing. Let's run that. Joanna, you're quiet. Are you winning?
Yes, sir.
You see now I have margins. Can you see that it has pushed, it has narrowed that to have margins, huh?
20 pixels.
You see how the margins are working?
Just hold on, sir.
John,
30
margins, I want to put 120 here.
save.
The one that,
Oh yes, sir. So it's
yeah, to
it
have
changed.
margins.
Yeah.
Margins. Nyasha, very quiet.
Yes, sir.
Are you winning
Yes, sir.
on the margins?
So, but would the margins not have to be equal if you wanted it to kind of be like?
Yep, you can have them equal, so you can go and change this if you want. It doesn't really matter. So maybe here you can say 400 pixels if you want, and 400 pixels.
What do I just do? Okay. And now if I copy this and paste it. Semicolon. And save. Okay.
Clear, you see, 400, I did 400, 400. And what a nice, clear.
Yes, sir.
Then let's go now, for those that were not there the other day, let's go and take to a website called Pixabay and take two nice pictures. Mike, pixabay.com. Pixabay. And have nice two pictures or three pictures. Then you put in that folder where you have, same folder, where you have your HTML. Joanna, let's do that quickly. Pixabay.
So you said it's called what?
Pixabay. Just type that on Google. You see, that's where you find quality photos for free. Yeah? High quality photos for free. Majority of them. Clear. Mike, are you on that website?
Yes, I'm on that website.
Like maybe look for nice scenery pictures there, or whatever you like. You find nice quality photos for free. So I want you to check about 2 or 3 nice photos. Then go and save them in the same folder where you have your HTML, so that it will be easy. You don't have to type a long path to look for this picture. Clear?
How many, sir? Just 2 or 3?
2 or 3 nice pictures.
3.
Say it wants me to
It
log
says-
in, sir.
No, it won't ask you to log in. Are you there on the Pixabay? It doesn't even need an account to download.
Yeah, it doesn't. Are you on the right website? Because he directed you to Pixabay, but the website is called Pixa with no L.
That's why I gave him the wrong.
I think so, sir.
But there's an L.com there. Pixabay.com.
Yeah, the one that I got mine from last time that you told me was Pixabay, Pixabay.com.
Yes, that's correct. So are you on the right website, like what you're saying?
Yes, sir.
Free photos. Just to have to avoid the one that, but most of them are free. Clear? Then you download nice quality for free.
It's just taking me a while, sir, because my Wi-Fi is extremely slow.
No, it's slow. About the high quality.
Download.
Mike, are you on the website? Correct website? Are you on that website that we're talking about?
Yes, sir, I'm on the website, sir.
Then once you're on that website, then you simply say free downloader. Then you choose, normally use the default that they pick for you, JPEG file. Then you download. You simply click download. Don't click sign up. I think that's what you're asking. You don't click sign up. You simply click download. I'm not a robot, whatever. Then you download. Clear. Nice. Then it downloads for you. When done downloading, I want you to open the image and save it in the folder. But now you save it, you now give it a different name without the /1 whatever, because that will take time now for you to copy that. Save it with just an easy name so that it's easy when we want to load that image in our HTML text.
So where are we saving it?
In the same folder, you open it, then you go make a copy or save as the same folder where you have your HTML. If you don't do that now, you have to type the whole path of where your image is. So you simply say make a copy, depending on what software laptop you use, or you simply go and save it in the same folder where you have your HTML. Where you have your HTML. Then you have saved it, go and change its name to an easy name. A symbol name, clear, that you don't forget. Making sense? Symbol instructions. Mine is called arc. There, I've saved it. Clear? Joanna, you done?
Yes, sir.
Not yet. You're saying you think
I'm
so?
done.
Okay. Now I'm going. Can you see my code here? I am going to the body. If I wanted to put the image between these lists, then when I end this list here, I can have my image here. But if I want to put the image at the end of both lists, I'll do it at this one here. Now, the reason why I'm doing an image is this. I've seen a question, I think from last year. Image, I'll explain something here. Source, it's always this format. Then the file name here inside this double brackets like this. Then you close it. Image now doesn't have it, one of the few tags without this. Image, everyone, you don't do. If you do this, that's an error. Clear? Image is not closed like this. Image has only one tag. Clear? Image, page breaking, you simply do this. So with image, you do this. Then there you type the name of your, because they're in the name, I think mine simply the name of your picture, the name of your image. And it's a .jpeg. I think so. For most of you, when you download it, was a .jpeg.
Hey, sir, I keep getting disconnected from the lesson.
Okay. Like this. The name and the file type. Mine is JPEG. Then when you run it, you should load the page.
So under after image, what does that say? SRC.
Yes, it means the image source.
Okay, yes,
Where
sorry, I
is
just
it
couldn't
going
see.
to get the image? Then the open and close in inverted commas. Then inside here, you type the name of your image, .jpeg, if it's a JPEG. But I think most of you, when you download by default on that website, it's a JPEG. I think only Nyasha here, the funny name last time. I don't know what name was his file. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's a JPEG. Clear?
Oh, I didn't open the tag. Okay, that's why it's not working.
Joanna, did your image download is saved? When you save, did your image load?
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay, that was quick. So what I wanted you to remember is that the image, you don't open a tag and say a backslash. Image does not have this. Most of your HTML tags have this, but image and page breaking, you don't do that.
So
Yes.
you put the name of the picture or the place so you find it.
Why should you put a place when they are both in the same folder? Clear. So they are in the same folder. There is no need to write the path. I simply write what? The name dot JPEG. I suppose it's a JPEG file. The name dot JPEG. Clear. Because they are in the same folder. If they are not in the same folder now, that's why you need to go to Windows and look for the path and type the whole path. So we were avoiding that. That's why we're saying place the image in the same folder with the HTML. Clear. I've answered you.
Ayo.
So if you run, you should be able to. I think it's time for the next lesson. You should be able to see Joanna's one is working. I haven't tested mine, but I had to explain them. Let me see if mine is working.
Okay, yes, it works, sir.
It works.
Yes, sir.
The other guys are quiet. Nyasha, did you win? Nyasha? Did you win? Did we lose him?
I think so, sir.
Okay, so we could see you next lesson.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry, I didn't put an equal here. So it's equal like this. Huh? I'm sure you discovered that. Huh? Equal
Yes, sir.
like that. So if it didn't work, you didn't put an equal like this.
Where is it?
Equal, then open like this. Name of file.jpg, close it, close that. Then save it, it should work. Okay, we'll see you next time.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.